Let's get straight into this awesome topic, traversing the DOM. By traversing, I just mean how do we move up and down the DOM tree? Well, you know how family structures work. You have parents, your parents have children, and if they've got more than one, it means you've got a sibling, etc., etc. Well, as it turns out, in order to understand how to traverse the DOM, it all begins with understanding how family structures work. But of course here we're not talking about literal families, we're talking about the DOM tree. It just so happens that our entire HTML page works the same way. How cool is this? And as we saw in the previous section, or one of the previous sections, all nodes in the DOM can be expressed as parents, children, and siblings. But what do I mean? Well, let's look at this. Remember that parent? That dude with the beard? A parent of any node is just the node that's placed immediately above it. And when it comes to traversing the DOM, there are two main methods we can use to get the parent node. The first method is parent node. And the second method we can use is parent element. Don't worry how we use these or the differences between them just yet. For now, I just want you to take a step back at a high level to understand these concepts. So that's our parent, all good and well. But remember he had two children? Well, what is a child? The child of a node is the node immediately below it. And what's interesting, or what you need to know, is that programmers often refer to nodes that are beyond one level of nesting as descendants. This is just a terminology you'll hear in the programming world, and it makes intuitive sense. So that's your children, but what about if we're looking at children within a family? Well, we know that this is now referred to as siblings. A sibling of a node is any node in the same tree level as that particular node. And what's interesting is that sibling nodes do not have to be of the same type. What do I mean? Well, this just means we can have different node types. We can have comment nodes, text nodes, element nodes. All of these can be siblings. It doesn't have to be of the same type. So there you have it. These are the three types of nodes we have in any family DOM tree. We have parent nodes, we have children nodes, and we have sibling nodes. It's not that difficult, right? I hope you're having fun. I hope this is becoming more intuitive. But let's start getting into more detail now. And I want to start coding as well. See you in the next lecture.